Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this itel p15. Just follow the steps along the way and you see how you can do it. It's very easy, everyone can do it from home or anywhere. You don't need a PC to do this. All you have to do is the phone. When it's fully charged above 50%, you can see I'm putting the password. I don't know the password of this phone. So what you do, you first put the phone off by long press power button and put off the phone. So when the screen is totally black, showing that there is no power inside the phone, now you press volume down button and power button all together at the same time. Keep on pressing them together until you see itel logo. As you see this logo, you keep on pressing volume down and let go power button. Then you will see this interface. The touch doesn't respond. You have to use volume down button to look for where there is wipe data and factory reset, and use power button to wipe data and factory reset this phone. Then you press power button, then use volume down, scroll down and click on yes, factory reset this phone. So after pressing yes, it will bring the same interface again. Then you use volume down again to scroll and look for where there is reboot the system of this phone. So that means it has already formatted. Now you have to click power button to reboot the system of this phone, like start the phone afresh, like normally, like a new phone. You just click on power button to reboot the system of this phone. So after clicking that button, it normally stays long on this point, but all you have to do, just wait for it until it finishes. If it doesn't have a good battery, try to put it in the USB into power so that you can have some power on it if it stays long without rebooting. If it doesn't have a good battery of this phone and you try to attempt to hard reset this phone, you may get a fault in this phone. It may not be back again because it will be like formatting. As the same time as it's formatting, then there is nothing to power it on, so it may not come back again. So it's better you charge this phone before doing anything, or if you don't have good battery, just connect it to power so that it doesn't bring like any complications when you're doing this process. Just try to be patient on this point so that it finishes flashing. Then from there you just restart the phone. You start the phone setup wizard like normally how you've been doing. You start the phone, then it will be all done in minutes. Here you put the Wi-Fi if you would like. Then please like and share for more content and subscribe this channel for more videos to be helped out. Thank you.